Here are 5 surfacing tips for you to consider. The patch command is often used as a tool to fill up holes in surface bodies. You can also try using the untrim command. Go to Modify, Untrim. For type, select Internal Edges and select the surface in question. In a lot of cases, the command does a good job in analyzing the surrounding faces and keeping continuity. There is also no need for stitching. Most of us are familiar with the process of deleting the face of a solid and turning it into a hollow surface body. In some cases, you might want to keep that face while hollowing out the solid. We can do this with the Unstitch command. Go to Modify, Unstitched. Select the face in question. This face becomes unhooked from the rest of the faces. You can think of this as opening a box. The fillet command can be performed on the edges of surface bodies, in the same way as solid bodies. You just need to make sure that the faces are stitched together. Here, we have 2 separate surface bodies. Go to Modify, Stitch. Select the 2 surface bodies and stitch them into a single surface body. From here, you can create a fillet the same way as you would on a solid body. This also applies to chamfers. The root surface command can be useful to build perpendicular faces along the edges of surface bodies. An alternative to this is the Extend command. Go to Modify, Extend. For type, select Perpendicular. And select the edge in question. The advantage of using the Extend command is that the extended surface is automatically stitched onto the main surface body. The Solid Extrude command can actually be used to trim surface bodies. Here, we have a pattern of surface bodies. I want to shape them into an overall spherical shape. During the Revolve command to create the sphere, I can simply change the operation to intersect.